These spicy barbecue chicken wings are juicy, tender, and flavorful. They are covered in a blend of spices, fried to a crisp, and then tossed in the best spicy barbecue sauce. The making of this sauce is not included in this video. I will upload another video on this. And if this is your first time here, please be sure to subscribe and leave me a comment. So I partner with Iodale's Farms, and let me tell you guys, I get all my chicken cuts from them. The weight is heaviest and the price is an excellent value for your money. It's a free-range organic meat. They're less fatty, the meat is leaner, no lumps of heavy yellow or bloody fat. So go right ahead, give the video a pause, grab their number, give them a call, and they will deliver to your doorstep. All right? You can't go wrong with these cuts, guys. They are fresh and they are unique. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by removing the tip of my chicken wings. And once I remove the tip, I'm going to go directly onto the joint and cut it. In this way, you'll end up with a flat and a drummet. And this is a great way if you are going to feed a crowd to get more pieces of chicken wings. So into the bowl with the chicken wings, I add some salt along with some white vinegar, and you can't go wrong with some freshly squeezed lemon juice or lime juice. Then I'm going to go in with my hands and I'm going to give it a quick mix and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to take some tap water, pour it into the container with the wings, and give it a nice little stir again. You want to cover the chicken wings with the water, all right? Once you do this, you want it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain the water off, pat dry the wings with a paper towel, and then we're going to season. Now, the seasonings that I'm using, you don't have to use them, guys. You can use your own seasoning to taste. You can also use your own homemade green seasonings. So in the description box below, I'll be leaving all details there. All right. So let me tell you about these chickens again, guys. Fried chicken wings are so easy to make and always turns out great. So be sure to let them marinate for at least an hour. But I did season mine and I placed them in the refrigerator in a bag overnight. So that's just how it goes. No matter what you put on it, no matter what type of seasonings you put on it rather, and how long you season it, it doesn't really matter sometimes. They will still be incredibly tasty. All right, so go right ahead. Use your type of seasonings. Massage those seasonings well into those wings. And trust me, no eat out for you. You can make this quickly at home. It doesn't take long to put together. The only thing is that you just want it to sit for a while just to marinate well. And I am making spicy barbecue chicken wings, guys. If you don't like anything heaty, then you can leave it out. All right, so it's done. Into a bag, into the refrigerator, and now it's the next day. I'm going to pour it out into my bowl. And I like to fry chicken wings when it is very cold. To me, like it gives it a firmer and a crispier and better finish. So what I'm going to do now is into a pan, I'm going to add some flour. And the same seasonings that I did use to season my chicken wings, I'm going to use those seasonings to season my flour. And once you pour them up in there, I'm adding more paprika and a lot of cayenne pepper into this. Because remember, I'm telling you, I'm making spicy barbecue chicken wings. Once I add those nice little seasonings, except for the yellow mustard, into this flour, I'm going to mix it up well. And at this time of a medium heat, I have a pan with vegetable oil. And what's gonna make my chicken even better, guys, I did fry some peanuts earlier, so I'm gonna use that same oil. All right, so make sure you coat them. You can use your finger to do this, but it is very cold, so I just use the tongue. Make sure it's well coated with the flour mixture, then dust it off well. Make sure you get most of the flour out from the chicken pieces, and into the pan it goes. Now, chicken wings do not take long to cook. I cook mine for like 6 minutes, which is 3 minutes on each side. Then once you place them in there, make sure that the heat is still at medium, and then you want to fry them until they're deeply golden and they're cooked through. It's that simple. No eating out, guys, especially on a Friday evening, a Saturday evening. Dinner can be whipped up in such a quick time, and you can take this down with some fries, whatever you want. So after 3 minutes, flip them over like this. Look at how beautiful these are. And let them fry again for another 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes of frying again, I'm going to remove them, place them into a container with paper towel. In this way, we're going to get most of the oil drained out from the chicken wings. Once we're done this batch, we're going to continue. But now I'm going to show you my spicy barbecue sauce that I did put together. Like I promised, I'm going to bring this sauce in another video. I don't know if at the end of the video I will leave the ingredients to make this sauce, or if I should. I think I'm gonna bring it in another video. All right, so you want to let this boil. After putting all the ingredients in here, I let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Give it a nice stir, making sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. And you want a nice thick mixture. Look at this, beautiful. So after 4 minutes of cooking, you can see it's a very good texture. While it is still hot, I'm going to remove it from the heat. And then I'm going to place my beautifully, deeply golden cooked through chicken wings into this marvelous spicy barbecue sauce. You wouldn't regret. This is finger licking, guys. So as you can see that my sauce is still hot, my chicken is also still warm, and I'm dipping it right up into there. Look at it, beautiful. They are just a bit sticky, exactly just the way they should be. So don't you forget, you can season your chicken with any seasonings, and you will still have a very good tasty chicken wings. And then it's time to serve, guys. So here they are, free-range organic meat. They're less fatty. And I'm gonna tell you, give Iredale Farm a call and eat healthy. And don't you forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.